You need a go, no go for launch. Booster.
Go.
Retro.
Go.
Vital.
We're go flight.
Guidance.
Guidance go.
Surgeon.
Go flight.
Ecom.
We're go flight.
GNC.
We're go.
Telmu.
Go.
Control.
Go flight.
Procedures.
Go.
Inco.
Go.
FAO.
We are go.
Network.
Go.
Recovery.
Go.
Capcom.
We're go flight.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to Go for Launch Rocketry. Now, I literally just woke up from a little power nap, came home from work, haven't ate or nothing, and I wake up, my wife, she pushed a box up next to me, and I'm thinking, you know, it's that time of the month, I'm thinking it's my mystery box from Lunch Lab Rocketry. But as you can see on the table before you, that box is not from Lunch Lab. It was from Max Q Rockets. And as you can see, I'm a huge fan of Max Q Rockets. I have the whole fleet, including the Falcon Heavy that I will be building here shortly. You haven't seen the Falcon 9 on video yet, nor the ULA. The ULA had a Kato. I am going to post that if I can get the video footage down. And we have an incomplete SLS. We just have to do the decals. But this box showed up today. I have no idea what it is. It says, congrats on your YouTube channel. Randall, I have to say I'm literally shocked. I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting anything, not even a package from Amazon today. So I want to let you know that I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And you know I'm gonna continue to buy your products, man. You put out some real good stuff. But man, I'm itching to get in this box, so let's take a look and see what's inside. We got a fan can here. That's pretty big. Oh no. Randall, no you didn't. No you didn't. Guys. Oh, I don't know if I'm supposed to release this or not. You guys got something special coming to the line. SpaceX Starship kit. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on, I gotta go. Guys, Randall just sent me a Starship. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh man, Randall, and you're gonna see this on the launch pad like real soon. Next launch, this will be on the pad, no doubt. Look, I can't even hold the papers. Yeah, we're gonna get this built tonight, definitely. Randall, I appreciate it. Guys, if you haven't already, go to maxqrockets.com. Go check out all the products Randall has. I mean, everything here on the table and more. You can get your Falcon 9, your ULA, your Falcon Heavy, your SLS. He has accessory kits for these rockets. Also, you can get the Dragon Capsule for the Falcon 9. Oh, I gotta order that, by the way. But guys, check Randall out. Max Q Rockets. Also, if you want to see build videos on these rockets and some flight footage, go check out Kevin Miles and more. I will have the links in the descriptions down below. Go check those guys out. And once again, Randall, thank you. I appreciate it. You will see this on the pad here soon. And guys, until the next one, I'll see you at the pad.